Today I'll be showing you how to use Pythagoras' theorem, also known as the Pythagorean theorem, to find a missing side length of a right angled triangle. So here we have a right angled triangle with side lengths 3 meters and 4 meters, and we want to find the missing side length, which is this one right here. And to do that we use Pythagoras' theorem, which is a squared plus b squared equals c squared. C is always the hypotenuse, which is the longest side of the triangle, or the side across from the right angle. So the missing side is C in this case. And A and B are assigned to the other two sides, which aren't the hypotenuse. So let's just say this side is A, and this side is B. And now we can use the formula a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So 3 squared plus 4 squared equals c squared, which means 25 equals c squared. And so now we know what c squared is, but we just want to know the length c. So we use the square root. So c is the square root of 25, which equals 5 meters. So that's the length of c. What if you want to find the missing length of a side that isn't the hypotenuse? So here we have a triangle with side lengths 13 meters and 12 meters, and we want to find the missing side length. So first let's label the sides. So the 13 meter side has to be C, because it's the hypotenuse, but what we label the other two sides is up to us. So let's just make the 12 meter side B and the missing side A. So because a squared plus b squared equals c squared, we know that a squared plus 12 squared equals 13 squared. So to find a, you just need to rearrange the equation to isolate a. So if you subtract 12 squared from both sides, you get a squared equals 13 squared minus 12 squared. And then a simply equals the square root of 13 squared minus 12 squared, which equals 5. So a is 5 meters long. Okay, let's do a couple practice problems. So this right angled triangle has a side length of 6 and a side length of 7. So try find the missing side length. Okay, we know a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So let's quickly label the sides. The missing side is c because it's the hypotenuse. And we'll just label this side a and this side b. So that means 6 squared plus 7 squared equals c squared. So 85 equals c squared, which means that c equals the square root of 85. And then if you put that into your calculator, you'll get c equals approximately 9.22. And here's just one final practice problem, so see if you can work this one out. A squared plus b squared equals c squared. So now if we label the sides, we'll get this side as c because it's the hypotenuse. We can just make this side b and this side a. So now we know that 4 squared plus b squared equals 7 squared. So if you rearrange that, you get b squared equals 7 squared minus 4 squared. And that means that b is the square root of 7 squared minus 4 squared, which is root 33. And plugging that into a calculator, you get that b is around about 5.74. And that's how you find an unknown side of a right angled triangle using Pythagoras' theorem. So thanks for watching.